In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Notion Gallery View to show the cover image. If you are working in a Notion Gallery database and your cards are not displaying the cover image the way you expect, don't worry. This is usually just a layout setting, and it only takes a moment to fix. Once you change the card preview option, your gallery cards can display each page's cover image directly, which makes the gallery much more visual and easier to scan. Start by going to your gallery database in Notion. Make sure you are in the gallery view where you want the images to appear. Then, look to the top right corner of that database and click the three-dot icon. This opens the View Options menu, where Notion keeps many of the display and layout settings for the current view. From that menu, select Layout. This section controls how your gallery cards look, including what content appears on each card and how images are handled. If your gallery currently shows page content, file previews, or no image at all, this is where you can adjust it. Next, find the card preview setting. Click it and from the drop-down options, choose Page Cover. This tells Notion to use the cover image from each individual page as the main image shown on the gallery card. As soon as you select it, your gallery should update, and the cover images should begin appearing on the cards. If you want to fine-tune how those images look, here is one optional setting that can help. Turn on Fit Image if you want the full image to appear inside the card frame without being cropped. This can be especially useful if your cover images contain text, important details near the edges, or if you simply prefer seeing the entire image. If this option is left off, Notion may crop the image slightly to better fill the card space. That's all you need to do. The key setting is changing card preview to page cover, and the optional Fit Image toggle helps control how the image is displayed. If your gallery still doesn't show an image on some cards, that usually means those individual pages may not have a cover image set yet. So the view can only display covers that already exist on the pages. Thanks for watching.